Hey, what's up, guys? Today is lecture number 4, and welcome to make.com tutorial. I am Mohsen Muntazir. So, as a social media manager, I am working from last 2 to 3 years on this automation. Okay, understanding make is very necessary today because everything is going to be automate in the next couple of months. If you want to automate your social media, if you want to automate your business, you have to learn this thing because in one click you can do all the actions you want. Okay, so this is lecture number 3, introduction to operations. We have learned too many things, too many basic things in the past lectures, and today we will proceed further. If you didn't watch my lecture number 1 and 2, please go and watch lecture 1 and 2 because to understand these things it is very necessary to watch those lectures. Okay, so this is the scenario we have built in last lecture, and today we will talk about the operations. Although we have covered the operations in the last lecture, but we will talk in detail and why understanding operation is very necessary for us. This is very important. Although it looked like so a very common thing, that what is operation and it can consume the data, it's operation, but no, it's not like that. Understanding the operation is as much necessary as understanding of your business. Okay, so this lecture will clear all of your confusions about the operations. So let's start. The lecture is all about the introduction as understanding operations and operating counting. So let's start. What is an operation? You know that every time when an app or module, we can say that, perform an action, it's called an operation. Okay, if a row is added in a Google Sheet, this consumes as one operation. Okay, if you are collecting some bundle, some data, some information from the previous app that has been attached to your current app, this is known as operation. Okay, so one task consume one operation. Okay, so what are the operations? What are kind of operations? If you can create something, if you delete something, if you update something, if you transform something, these all things when done in your workflow is known as operation. Okay, got it? So here is the basic definitions. Operations counting is ensuring that you're aware of how many operations you have consumed within a month. For example, if the first module in a scenario runs only once and always counts as one operation, this is even the event that it doesn't produce a bundle. Okay, so already state that operation is just like counting is just like, if you will see this thing, this bubble on an app, it means that it has generated this much number of operations. Okay, if it's passing the bundle from the one app and transferring to the another app, so it will generate this one bundle, this one bubble upon itself. So this is known as operation. Okay, got it? So why it's important? Because let me tell you one thing, make.com is not a free tool. Yes, you can use it up to certain limit. I think you'll get 1000 operations per month, but beyond that you cannot go as a free. You have to buy the plan. So what are the plans, we will discuss later. That's why you have to track all of your operation countings so that you know when to pay, how much we have to pay, and what in what scenarios are worth to pay for that. Okay, these things are very important, and you will know these things if you know the much things about your operation counting. So that's why operation counting is very necessary. Although one thing I just want to tell you, that you don't have to count individually each operation. All of the sudden these numbers came up, pop up on your apps, pop up on your modules, and so you can simply add those numbers and you will get know that how many operations we are consuming. I will show you the work we did, the workflow we create in the past 2 lectures, that how many operations that we consumed from our that sheet. Okay, okay, so let's take an example to spreadsheet. Let me give you the example. The scenario here will perform two spreadsheet C, and it will watch the emails of an account and each email to a row. Okay, so this is the Gmail. We got an email, it's one operation. then the Gmail is being separated into five different rows. So it means five operation has been consumed by this app and one operation has been consumed by this app. So this, it means the total number of the operations from both the apps are six. Okay, so one thing I want to tell you, that the if module will performing the same function and it's not adding, deleting, updating something, then it will count as one operation. If you receive one email or if you receive 100 of emails, the emails are the same. Okay, email are the basic thing that is same, so it will count one operation. And for example, if you have attached Google spreadsheet to your email and you're going to automate something like that, that social emails go into the spread, go to the another column, the work email go to the another column, and the entertainment email go to the another column. So you have added the rows. Okay, so you have added three rows to your spreadsheet, so you will consume three operations for that. For each email you are going to consume three operations. Okay, so this is thing gonna work like that. The second action is to add a new row. Okay, see, the same thing is written here. It will perform add row action five times once per bundles. This equal five operations for this action. For example, if you receive five emails, five Gmails, but it will count in the Gmail app as one operation, but these five emails got separated into different rows, so this will count as five different operations. Okay, so this is going to be happen like that. Use case 2, we have another case. Let's forget about the question, just I will ask you the main scenario. Let's break down the question. You just the scenario displayed here will perform for, okay, let's this what they are saying. The first module will watch response on a form. Okay, you have added Google form, then to Google Doc, then to Google Drive, then Gmail. It means you have created a workflow in which you will receive a Google form, then a Google form will convert those data into Google Doc, separate it, then Google Doc will save that data to Google Drive, and then Google, from the Google Drive, Gmail will pick the data and send to the user. Okay, this is the scenario. So what gonna happen here? The first module will watch response on a form. The first module will watch response on a form, so it means it will generate only one count. Okay, one operation count. This will create a document for each response. This is going to be interesting here. If you receive, if you have categorized your form into four categories, it means it will count four operations. Okay, then you will download these four forms into Google Drive. Each form will be downloaded, so this will count as one operation, and then each Google form will send to the users, so this will count as four operation as well. Okay, so see, 1 4 4 4. So this is going to be happen like that. In this lecture we are not diving into the practical things because there are theoretical things. We will just see how to count operations. Okay, so okay, let's break down here. It's a Google form. For the purpose of the case, let's say that we know there are four responses waiting to be proceed. You received four forms. Okay, as this is the previous use case, we will consume only one operation. I already told you that the forms are the forms. We will not count four operations for receiving four forms. Okay, this is all the forms, the same forms, so this will count as only one operation. Okay, for each module, make will process each response. Now this is going to be very interesting. Form was filled out four times. This will create four bundles of information. Four forms have been received. It means four bundle of operations has been received. So four response will be made just like for the four bundles. So it means the four bundles have been generated and each bundle will have three actions performed. It will create a document, it will download file, and it will send an email. So you received four forms and each bundle have to proceed further for the three operations. Definitely it will create a file in Google Doc, it will download in Google Drive, and it will send by Google email, Google Gmail. So each bundle will create three operations. We have four operations. 4 into 3, 12, and one for the source that you received the form in the first app. So there are total 13 operations count. Okay, I know you will get it. If you don't get it, just comment in the section and I will send you a lot of example. I will generate a lot of examples. Please make sure to subscribe my channel, because in on this channel I will be uploading the tutorials, I will be uploading the examples, I will give you the assignments, the task to understand and to practice. If you will not practice these things, you will not going to learn this thing. Okay, so what tools do not use in make? It's a little bit, let me zoom it. Yeah. Okay, so as expected, your source module will get current weather and generate bundle consuming one operation. Yeah, we already saw that. Okay, what tool does not, based on the filter criteria, the bundle has been filtered. The filter contains a one. This is show that one bundle has passed through the filter. These are saying that how the operations have been consumed, blah blah blah. Okay, so okay, let's come there. How to track my operations? Yeah, this is going to be interesting thing. Let's come there. So you have to come organizations, see unused operations. I have been unused operations. I have a limit of 1,000 operations per month. Obviously make will give you the 1,000 as well. We have only used 15 operations. I didn't use, I have only this is the this is my demo account. I've just keep this account for the purpose of lectures. We have another account on which we are doing clients projects, work for our clients. So it's the operations, and that account is more than 10,000 or 15,000. I'm sorry, I can't show you that account because it's my client things. So without an asking for their, without asking from their permission, I cannot show you that. Okay, so this is the price. There are the plans. We have a monthly free limit, we can use that. Okay, I'm showing you the plan, how will work that. Okay, so welcome to the second unit, introduction to operation course. Yeah, it's the same thing. The scheduling is the another thing we will discuss. We have already discussed that thing in the first lecture, I think, in the makeui.com. So we will go, you will watch all of your scenario here, you will click that and you will edit. So you will, once you will edit, you will come to this place. Okay, this is the scheduling option. If you want to run the schedule, what you need to have to do is you can schedule it from here. Okay, at regular intervals, or you can change the minutes, or if you want to do advanced scheduling, you can do by yourself the time, the days, the months. If you want further items, you can do all of things. It's a playable thing, you can play with them around. Okay, so this is scheduling I want to show you. So this is, you can do, let me run this. See, it has been run successfully. So it's already created that one operation. It's one. Okay, so it consumed three operations. Okay, yeah, my plans. Okay, so this is one of the, let me subscriptions. Why it's taking so much time? Okay, so this is the free plan. It's a former demo account, I already told you. Okay, if you want to, definitely, if you want to, oh sorry, if you want to go to the per month for the a little bit, it's thing like, you have, if you want on a demo account, it's free plan is very necessary. But if think in advanced course we will consume a lot of things, so for that you can buy for 1 month this core plan. Okay, it's only $9 per month. You will get 10,000 operations. My second account that has been used for client is $9. It's a core account. We are using more than 10,000 operations, and unlimited number of active, 40-minute scenario execution time, 100 MB file size, 1 minute interval, access to 300 plus make API endpoints. Okay, so what is these API endpoints? I will tell you all those things, just don't worry about that. Okay, enterprise plan, team plan, pro plan, See here, a lot of benefits have been given for this plan, but if you are on this lecture, it means you are understanding. It's a beginning thing for you. You don't have to need to have to buy anything right now, okay? Once we will understand it, definitely we will buy some core plan for us, okay? So don't buy. I'm just showing you the plans, okay? So these are the thing. What I've already discussed these thing in that thing. Thanks for watching. So there is nothing so much in this lecture 3 because it's all just theoretical. I just want to tell you that I want to cover the operations count and operations separately so that you can do not get confused, because it's very important thing to go further. Because from tomorrow we will go to the advanced things. We will make big workflows. We will automate most of the things. So definitely those things will consume a lot of count operations, okay? So please subscribe my channel, and if you want to see those lectures, go to my Gumroad app and you can get it here. And if you want to buy me a coffee, yes, you can buy it for only $1. I will be very happy for that. And good luck. Keep learning. Thank you very much.